Daniel here with coding-bootcamps.com, and in this section we're going to be talking about data aggregation in MongoDB. And what we're going to do in this first video is just talk a little bit about what aggregation means, and then we're going to show you the simplest form of doing an aggregation in MongoDB. So we're looking here on my screen at the documentation that MongoDB has for aggregations, and we can see that they say aggregation operations process data records and return computed results. Aggregation operations group values from multiple documents together and can perform a variety of operations on the group data to return a single result. Now, the key takeaways here are that you're looking at a lot of different records or documents in your data, but you're returning a single result. So the simplest example of this is actually something that we've done already. If we look back at our queries.js file, you remember that in this section 4 we had used an operation called count. You remember we looked at our records who had department IT, and then we got a count from them. Now, this is an aggregation. Why is it an aggregation? Because it hits on the two key points that we just mentioned. It's looking at many different results from our data. Remember, we had two records that have a department of IT, but then we are only returning one result. We're returning the count of that data. So in its simplest form, this is an aggregation. We're getting back a number. We're getting back one thing, but we're looking at a lot of different records. So I hope that explains at a high level what data aggregation is. It's a really incredibly valuable concept to know in software engineering, big data, and data science. And it really is as simple as looking at a lot of data, or looking at really more than one piece of data, and generating one result from that data. And in the next video, we'll start expanding on different types of aggregations that you can do beyond this simple example of count. I will see you in the next video.